Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Connecticut on his Lincoln II Plus. John, got y'all fixed up. You selected the tune and alignment. You also wanted to get this Astatic d104 m6b. And you're going to need this adapter right here, this 46-pin adapter. John, I'll reach out to you about that shortly, okay? So RF power all the way down, 25-watt slug. There's 1 watt all the way down, and we have full adjustability. And 10 all the way up. Show you average power swing, audio, 25 in the corner. 100 watt slug and peak, audio, about 55 watts peak. Alright my friend, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.